To become a profitable trader, download our FX School app and subscribe our YouTube channel Asirfx 360 and click the bell icon for notification.
Hello friends, it's me Asirfx. Welcome to my channel Asirfx 360. Basically in this video I am going to discuss about some trading platform, because every time we trade in the Mt4, but Mt4 is not only platform for the forex. There are few other platform in the forex market, so today I am going to introduce with them. Without Mt4 there is another types of platform. It's named C Trader, and another platform everyone this is the Mt5. And another thing is that happened in the broker. Few broker have some own platform, like IQ option broker. They have some own platform, so they don't use the Mt4. So we can use the web trader or Mt4 or C Trader platform. It doesn't matter. Basically, if you know the trading properly, then whatever platform you are using, this is the best platform. Because if you only trade in the Mt4, this is enough for the trading. Even if you use the C Trader, this is also enough. It depends how you understand the market, because every platform show everything is similarly. There is not too much difference. Okay, so now I'm going to take you the screen and I'm showing you how what they are and how they use. Basically I'm showing you the C Trader platform, and if you don't know about the C Trader platform, now we can learn a little bit about the C Trader platform. My computer, you are seeing that this is the normal Mt4, and this is the IQ option platform, and this is the C Trader platform, and this is the Mt4 platform. Okay, so basically there is not too much different between Mt4 and this one is Mt5 platform. Okay, so this one is Mt5 platform. Basically there is not too much different between the Mt4 platform and Mt5 platform, because everything is almost same there. You can also see these things, and there is a market watch. But in the C Trader there is a little bit different. So if you want to learn it, you will get many video in the YouTube, and it's also, if you look it, I think within few days you can understand. So basically some broker, every broker don't have the C Trader platform. Only few broker have this platform. If you want that which broker have the C Trader platform, then you can ask me in the comment box, or you can contact me, then I can give you some broker. They also, of course, the regulated broker, they have the C Trader platform. If you bored to trade with the Mt4, then you can go with the C Trader platform. But one thing I want to share with you with the IQ option. Basically I don't like to trade in the IQ option, because it's very difficult to make profit from the IQ option. So if better you avoid the IQ option, because you cannot make money if you are not too much expert. Then it's very difficult to make money from the IQ option, so it's better you avoid this one. But the C Trader, the Mt5 or the Mt4, those all are the almost like same. They are trade in the forex, so you can choose any currency pair there, like also the Mt5. And also you can see in the Mt4 platform, you can see there you can also choose the currency pair. So those kind of platform, it's all are similar. But IQ option, those are binary trading, those are not real forex market. So this is not the forex trading, so it's better you avoid these things if you want to trade in the forex. So either you choose the Mt4 or Mt5, or you can choose with the C Trader. Okay, and also some platform have the Ninja Trader. This is also a platform for the forex trading. So there are many types of platform, but I love the Mt4, and I want to use the Mt4 and I want to trade with the Mt4, because I love it, because I get many automatic trading like expert advisor and customized indicator. So I love this one. Okay friends, this is for today. And if you want to know something, if you want to ask me something, you can ask me by the comment box, or you can ask me by the email or WhatsApp, whatever you can ask me. I will try to reply your all the question. Okay friends, this is for today. Bye, have a good day.